Hey, it's Lisa here.
And Leanne.
And together we're Sand Between Our Toes. Just checking in with you guys today and telling you a little bit about our story and how we've been travelling around Australia on the road with our two dogs since March 2018.
We both quit our full-time jobs, packed up everything, left home, left family, and we're truly living the freedom lifestyle.
So we're able to do that. We finance that because we've got a little online business, and now we're able to help and teach and coach other women how to build and launch a profitable online business while on the road, just like we do.
Yeah, it's pretty good. We found that perfect work and travel balance, so it's pretty cool.
So follow our journey, follow Sand Between Our Toes, that's toes with a Z, and keep up with where we are and our next big adventure. And really we'll just come in each week with new videos of not just our travels, but any little tips and hints that we have about our vehicle and our caravan.
What we take with us all the time.
Yeah, maybe some shenanigans that the dogs have been up to. Whatever it is, it's a bit of an open book on the lifestyle that we're living.
Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button so you don't miss anything, and we'll see you on our travels.
See you on the other side.
Geez, Lisa, do you think that's going to fit in the van? Bloody hell.
Christmas spirit.
Oh, I think it might be a little bit big. Okay guys, so I was very fortunate last year to spend Christmas Day with Lisa and her family, and we just went to a local pub in Mount Gambier and had a beautiful lunch there. So thoroughly enjoyed the day, thoroughly enjoyed time spent in Mount Gambier with friends and family. Then once that was over, we went back up to Adelaide and spent New Year's with our good friends Nigel and Andrea Collins. Spent the night round at their house having a few drinks and a few laughs, and before you knew it we were wishing in the new year. So it was quite a great night, and a good time had by all, as you can see by the next video.
And in. Oh God. Here, do you want me to bang it? Rhythm.
Oh, I love it.
Oh, well.
For anyone that hasn't already done so, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep an eye on what we're doing. Thank you. As you can see by the next couple of photos, obviously we work while we're traveling, so work never stops, so it's an ongoing thing that we have to do each day. So we have to prioritize what we're doing and time manage ourselves and get work done as well. But while we were in Mount Gambier, or the Mount, we decided to go around the mountain, which is the Sugarloaf, takes you up to Centenary Tower. The day that we went around, and we went around a few times, but this one particular today, gee, it was windy. It was absolutely crazy. As you can see here, Lisa almost blown away off the top. Now, the mountain is renowned for the set of steps that you have to go up to get up to Centenary Tower. And I tell you what, every time I do them, they don't get easy. They get your heart rate up. They're a great workout, and it's a great track if you've never done it. It's about a 4K round track, I think. So anyway, this day we decided to tackle the wind and tackle the stairs, and off we went. We come across all these trees and I don't know whether it was butterfly season or not, but this tree and these particular trees were loaded with butterflies. I don't know about you, but I believe butterflies and angels, and this particular day we were just surrounded by angels. It was just crazy to see how many butterflies were around. It was pretty amazing to see. One good thing about being back in Mount Gambier from time to time is we get to catch up with some great friends and family, which we both love doing. We have some dear friends in Mount Gambier. So this particular day we caught up with some family, went out for lunch and had a beautiful lunch and a couple of quiet drinks, and then we caught up with a bunch of my old mates that I used to hang out with when I lived in Mount Gambier. We started off very quiet, as you could imagine, and as the day progressed, things moved along quite nicely. So it turned out a great day. Loved catching up with everyone. Thank you to everyone that come out for lunch and stayed for most of the night. It turned out to be an awesome day and a great catch up, and you know, it's one of the best things to do when we go back to Mount Gambier is catch up with friends and family. Thoroughly enjoyed it. This is the day after. But as I was saying, we kept working while we were there. We also had to keep exercising to keep some sort of fitness level, so it was quite enjoyable. And then I got roped in. I'm not sure how I got roped into it, but I got roped into helping Briley clean her car. Helping Briley vacuum and clean her car somehow. I'm not sure how. How'd that happen, Briley?
Looks good.
Hey, it does look good. It's coming up really good. It's good that you look after your car. Very proud. For anyone that hasn't already done so, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep an eye on what we're doing. Thank you. And as you can see by this picture here, work's never done, never stops on the caravan. We had a water leak, so Lisa had to fix that. So once again, MacGyver was at work, which is what she does so well. But anyway, that was our trip down to Mount Gambier. We spent a few weeks there, more than expected, but it was a great time to catch up and reflect and catch up with friends and family. So anyway, guys, once again, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Hit the notifications button so you can keep up with what we're doing. And that was our time in Mount Gambier in the lower southeast of South Australia. And we'll catch up with you next video. Thanks for watching.